Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host here. So, you've heard a lot about BMW's electric strategy and how it might have compromised on fun and driving dynamics in favor of something more efficient. Well, let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth when it comes to the BMW i4. The i4 has been a game-changer in the electric car market, proving that EVs can actually be well-balanced and enjoyable to drive, all while being eco-friendly, of course. Now, as of June 2025, this fantastic four-door has just received some subtle updates to keep it fresh in our eyes. Now, we should note these changes are mostly cosmetic. For instance, the entry-level eDrive 35 model that we've had a look at now comes with an M Sport Kit as standard, which includes an aerodynamic front bumper, sportier-looking rear diffuser, M Sport brakes, and new 19-inch wheels, giving it a slightly more aggressive look without coming across too loud. We can also appreciate some minor updates to its lights. The BMW i4 is now rocking those sleek, claw-like LED headlights and refreshed taillights with laser patterns that supposedly enhance visibility at night. That's all very nice, but as we'll see, the real magic happens under the skin of this car. Underneath the hood, or rather, on the underside of the floor panel, you've got a single electric motor churning out 282 horsepower and an impressive 400 Nm of torque. Now, that might not sound like a lot compared to some other high-performance EVs, but trust me when I say it's enough to propel this car from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in just 6 seconds flat. But here's the best part. Despite all its power, the i4 still retains that fantastic balance that makes it one of the most enjoyable electric cars to drive. It's got a 50/50 weight distribution, rear-wheel drive setup and well-sorted chassis that handles corners with brilliant poise and finesse, making it perfect for both enthusiastic drivers and those looking just for a smooth ride. The steering, while quick and precise, does feel perhaps a tad light in its feedback. But overall, the BMW i4 delivers an all-round refinement that's hard to find in other electric cars of its class. Its power delivery is smooth and effective, with a well-controlled suspension that absorbs bumps without fuss, making for a comfortable ride. So, if you're on the hunt for an electric BMW that keeps true to its classic driving DNA, look no further than the i4. Sure, it's not exactly cheap, but it offers an experience so pure and unadulterated that it's worth every penny of its $339,888 tag, at least in Singapore.